Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can get a dark acrylic taskbar, action center, and also in the start menu in Windows 11. Now, the way we're going to do this is we're going to do it from the settings. So let's go to the search bar down here, and then let's click on settings. On settings, go to personalization like this, and then go to colors. On colors, as you can see right now, my taskbar is already dark, right? Because I already picked the dark theme. But if you first logged into Windows, you might see something like this, right? So everything is white and the taskbar is white, the action center is white, and all of it is a light themed color, right? If you want a dark acrylic one, just go to choose your mode here and then just click on dark like this, and it'll turn everything dark. If you want a custom acrylic color like dark, you can click on custom here, and then you can see you can customize it if you want it to be light or dark, right? You can choose your default app mode like this. See, you can choose either the app itself is light but the taskbar here remain dark, or you can choose the app taskbar here, the app remains dark but the taskbar remains light like this. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.